What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Alec from Blackhouse Vapor Company coming at you with another quick juice review. Let's get started.
Are you listening? Damn.
Alright, if you've seen one of these videos before, awesome. If you haven't, I'm going to go over really quickly. We're going to cover the flavor profile first, and then we're going to go through the temperature that I think, the recommended temperature range for the flavor. I'm going to go over whether it's an all-day vape, whether it's kind of a desserty vape, whether it's a morning vape, where it fits into my flavor rotation. So let's get started. Okay, this time we are reviewing The Boss by Blackhouse Vapor Company. Ooh. The Boss is a fresh raspberry lemonade flavor that's been around Blackhouse almost since the beginning of the shop. So it's been around for a long time, and the entire time that it's been around, it's been a really hot seller. I wanted to cover it really quickly just to give you a general overview, and if you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend you give it a try. The raspberry lemonade flavor uses real citrus flavorings, so it comes out nice and tart in a really realistic lemonade way, not a candy type of tart, but it still helps balance the sweetness of the raspberries with the tart of the citrusy lemon notes. In terms of temperature, I'd say this is kind of a hot to a medium temperatured vape. You're gonna be in the higher end of your wattage range to get a good flavor out of this, in my opinion, but again, that's something that's gonna be subjective. You're gonna have to kind of play around with that, just giving you my thoughts on it. I personally would consider this an easy all-day vape. It's not too sweet, it's not too savory in any way, it's not overpoweringly candy flavored, and it doesn't leave a weird residue in your mouth at all or anything like that, so I would consider it easy for an all-day vape in a tank or an RDA, whatever you're using, even a pod system if it's gonna be able to handle a higher VG juice like this. Alright guys, so that's our quick flavor review of The Boss from Blackhouse Vapor Company. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe to the Blackhouse Vapor Company YouTube channel. If you're looking at this on the Blackhouse website and you're looking at that product right above, give it a try. Or come down to the shop at 2148 South, 900 East, Suite 3. But you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time.
Are you listening?